Hey guys, so I just recently switched bags and I thought this would be the perfect time to do a what's in my bag. I haven't done one of these in so long, and the bag I'm going to show you is actually a vintage bag that I bought about a year ago. I showed it in a vlog, but I have recently, or I have since filming that, taken down the majority of my vlogs, so that video is not up anymore and I've never shown the bag on this channel, so I thought perfect time to do a what's in my bag. So I just recently switched out of this bag, which is my Chanel Jumbo. I've been carrying this probably every single day for, I want to say, at least a year. It's been my only bag, so switched out of this. Let me know if you want any kind of update video on that bag. By the way, my nail polish, which I just got, it's a beautiful Deborah Lippmann color. My makeup, my clothes, my jewelry, everything will be listed in the description box below, so check there for more information. But the bag that I switched out into is probably my favorite bag that I own, which is the Louis Vuitton, a vintage Speedy 25. I call it the Cherry Speedy, but I think the actual word they use is like cerise, maybe. I don't know how to pronounce it. We'll actually get more into the details of the bag because when I purchased it, I had very specific requirements when I was looking for this. Since it is vintage, you see these in various conditions. Most of them are in very poor condition, but I like hit the jackpot when I found this one. I will show you all of the goodies it came with, including the original red dust bag, which was kind of important to me, but even beyond that, I got like the original sales receipt and stuff. The sun is coming in and out, so if the lighting changes in this video, that is why I'm using natural lighting. But a little bit about this bag, besides that it's a Speedy 25, which is very, very tiny, especially for someone my height. I'm almost 6 feet tall, so it is a tiny bag, but it fits everything. I mean, I have more than what I really truly need, and there's still a ton of room in here. So the cherry pattern with the little faces is by Takashi Murakami, which if you don't know who that is, it's a Japanese artist. I think he was like the best thing that ever happened to Louis Vuitton, and I can't believe they stopped selling the multicolor, but I love this bag. I think it came out maybe close to 15 years ago or so. I don't carry it all the time just because it has kind of a lot going on, even though it's classic, but also it's like in perfect condition and I want it to stay that way. But I do love it. I look at it all the time when I'm not using it. I don't know, I just love handbags. I know it's such a materialistic thing, but it's just something that makes me happy. I don't know, I like the history of the bags, of the fashion houses. I don't know, it's just something that interests me. It always has since I was little and would beg my mom for purses and she would never buy them for me, but I've just always been interested in it. It's fascinating to me and I just really love this bag. I think it's so cute. So that is the bag that I'm currently carrying. I do have quite a lot of stuff in here. I don't know if you can see. The opening is very small in a Speedy 25, but again, you can fit more. I mean, you can see how much more space I still have in there. So you can fit everything in this size. I'm not someone that carries like a large wallet or anything like that. I used to have that really large multicolor wallet, and when I sold that, I ended up getting this like multicolor, I guess it's kind of like a key clay type of thing, but I never actually attach it to anything. Like my credit card and driver's license in the front pouch. And then on the inside, I just have random things like other cards, like my car insurance. I have this little YSL, it's like a metallic lilac color. It's just a little card case. I think you can get this one anymore, at least this color. I mean, obviously the card cases are very popular, but I just have a bunch of not gift cards, but like store cards. Like, so when I go to Ulta or Sephora, I get like points, you know, the reward system thing. I don't put any cards like in these front slots, mainly because, well, I think it looks pretty without them in there, but these slots are so tight, it's almost impossible to get the cards back out. So if you're looking to buy this, it's just much easier to put everything like in this middle slot. This has nothing to do with the video. I need to know your recommendations on a dry shampoo. I used to use the Redken Powder Refresh, I think it was called, for so long. I talked about it in like every hair related video and they changed it. It's called something else now and I don't like the formula. So I want your recommendations for your favorite dry shampoo. That would be amazing. Let me know. You can let me know in the comments, tweet me, Instagram me. I would like to know. Okay, so what else do I have in here? I have my vlog camera, which I think everyone that vlogs has this camera. It's one of the best because you can flip up the screen and see what you're doing. It's pricey, but the quality is amazing. I'll put this below if you want to check it out, the name and all the code or whatever, you know, the name of the camera in the description box. Sunglasses, I just switched out to these. I've been trying to like use other sunglasses than the ones I always wear. These I've had for years. I very rarely wear them though, but they're super cute. They're just a classic Ray-Ban. I usually always wear Ray-Bans. They're really cute. They're very classic. I like them a lot. I will also link these below if you're interested. I have my hand cream, which is a staple. This has been in every what's in my bag video I've ever filmed because it saves my hands and my nails and makes them baby soft, and it smells amazing, and I've talked about it a million times. You guys know what it is. I'll also write that below or link it below. I have my key pouch thing for my keys. I really don't have a ton of keys in here. I keep them all out all the time, which I think kind of defeats the purpose, but yeah, that's what I have. And then I have like a catch-all, which is another multicolor piece that I have. Again, this is Takashi Murakami, and he's an amazing artist. I would love to own a piece of his art. I've actually seen a couple on eBay, but kind of expensive. And this is just like, I have a bunch of crap in here that normally I have just laying around the bottom of my purse, but I thought, why don't I keep it all contained? Maybe it'll keep me more organized. So it's just like gum and Kleenex, and I have a hand sanitizer, which is pretty in pink pocket back thing, and some cash and 2 Burt's Bees chapsticks, dropping money. And then I have a little mirror from, it says Style Help. And that's everything that's in like the catch-all thing. That is everything that's in the bag, so super cute. I remember when I was gonna get this, I was a little concerned about carrying it because I am taller, like would it fit on my arm or not? But fun fact that I learned before purchasing this, that all of the Louis Vuitton Speedies, their handle length, like the actual drop, is the same no matter what size Speedy you get, which I thought was very interesting. So they're all gonna fit you exactly the same, like on the crook of your arm, even though the bags are very different in size. So I thought that was interesting. So I love carrying this. I really want to get a crossbody strap for this, even though it's not made for that. And I've heard that you really shouldn't, because when you connect it from like one side to the other, can, I guess, hurt the bag, and I don't know, but I really still want to get one. I've seen a blogger, who did I see? I forget her name. She has this bag and she has a crossbody strap for it, and it looks so cute when she wears it, even though I know you're not supposed to. But I enjoy just carrying it on my arm like my other Speedy that I have. So I'll show you everything that came with the bag, just in case you are looking to get one and you want like all of the accessories as well. It does come with a red dust bag, which I found that a lot of the sellers didn't have this original red dust bag. I have the original keys, and it was funny because when I got it, the lock was so tarnished. Now I'm like super dark. Oh man. Brass hardware on the bag was very, very tarnished, and I just took a silver cleaning cloth, you know, like a jewelry cleaning cloth, and polished all of the brass, and it became like very shiny again. Well, I should probably do it again because I've had it for over a year, but I did that. Original tags, it says monogram cerise or cherry. I even had the original booklet, which has a bunch of stuff about Takashi Murakami and his collaboration. And this actually says 2004, so came out 14 years ago. It's a long time. And then I also got, like I said, her original receipt and the original like tissue paper. But I think I was the most excited that she had her original receipt. That's so totally something I would do. I keep all of my stuff, even all my receipts. She bought this in 2005 actually. So yeah, I have her original receipt. Even has like her name and stuff on it, so I'm not gonna show that. But that is everything that came with my little bag. I love it so much. It just makes me happy, and it's been very warm here lately, so I just think this is a very cute bag to be carrying for this time of the year. So I'm gonna put everything back in the bag. I hope that you guys found this video fun. I will definitely have the what I eat in a day and vlog style videos coming soon. I just kind of thought this would be fun to do since I just switched into this bag and I've never shown it on my channel, and it makes me happy, and I feel like that's what accessories should do. I don't know. I'm into stuff like this, and I hope that you guys are too. So thank you for watching and subscribing. I will see you very soon. All of my makeup and outfit details and nail polish and everything that I showed you in this video, like from my purse, if they're available anywhere or you're curious about anything, I will make sure to write everything in the description box for you. So thank you for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.